Hey guys, welcome to Jonny Fix It. Alright, we're doing an oil change on a 2005 Acura RSX base model. And the tools we're going to use is a toolbox, a tool set. Oh yeah, we're going to use some brake cleaner to clean it up. We're going to use a tower, an oil pan, a funnel, a jack, and an oil filter, and an oil. Oh yeah, get it. Oh yeah. All right, guys. First, you open up your hood, and you remove the oil cap. Now remove the oil cap. Oh yeah, for airflow. Second step, jack up your car. Come over here, come over here. You gotta make sure you get it in that good spot right here. If you put it anywhere else, you're gonna mess up your car. Just put it up. All right, now you gotta jack it up. Alright, now you gotta put your tower up. Let's see. Right there is good. Alright, next step, you drain your oil. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, next up, you gotta loosen up your bolt. Now caution. Caution. Hold on. There's gonna be oil coming out. You don't want to get hit by it. Once you feel your bolt loose, where you could take it out with your hand, take it out with your hand. If you feel like it's gonna come out, hold up and get your pan ready. Right now. Once you feel it's coming out, adjust your pan. Get ready for it. Three, two, one. Adjust your pan. You don't want to get your nut in the oil. Alright, while your oil is draining, you gotta prep your oil filter. Alright. Pop out your oil filter. Take off the little plastic wrap.
The struggle is real.
I'm saying, hold up. Alright.
5 minutes later.
This man, tripping. Right now, put some a little bit around it. Take out your band. You put a little bit up in there. Rub it around. Alright. There you go. Oil filter is prepped up. Guys, so this is the oil filter. Okay, so now you gotta put it in your nut. Your bolt. Once it's good enough where you can turn it with your hand, you get your ratchet, tighten it a little bit. Not too much, because if not, you might mess up the bolt. You have to buy a new one. There you go. Okay, so now we gotta take off the oil filter. Go on, you remove it. Be careful because oil is still coming out. We put our pan under it so it doesn't leave that much of a mess. Okay. Okay, now we take our oil filter. Look at that. Dirty. And we put this in the new one. Alright. Put that to the side. You get your new oil filter. And you put it on. And next step, take out your pan. Watch out for this if you drop it in the oil. Alright. Now we lower your car. Take out the tower. Put it to the side. And lower your car. Slowly. Put it to the side. Now you put in your new oil. You gotta put in your new oil. Put in your oil filter. Remember, don't put all of your oil. You have to leave some. Now you recycle your oil. Remember, you can always dump your oil at the local AutoZone. Alright, once you screwed in the cap, now check your oil level. Alright. That's good. It's at the first dot. Hey guys, turn it up. Alright guys. And now this is Jonny Fix, and I'll see you on the next video.